Alright guys, what I have today is the Cell First Form S.H.Figuarts. Now this just recently released. I've been meaning to review it for quite a while and finally getting around to it. It's currently sealed, so let's get this thing opened. Now this guy looks phenomenal. Great figure. I mean, look at all that detailed sculpt work, articulating wings on the back where it plugs in. Let's get this plastic out of here. He's going on to the display. That's the only piece where the plastic is to prevent rub while it's getting shipped. The shoulder pads move. Neck and head. His head is limited. As you can see, the bulge on the back limits his backwards head movement. The articulation is very similar to the original final form cell. Those wings, though, they did a great job on that. Keep it on the back of your shelf, though, because I can see those things being the first thing to break when it falls. Standard figure art joints. Outside of the hips. You don't have that new 3.0 knee or 2.0 hips because it's not necessary on a figure like this that's not wearing pants. So your movement is phenomenal. As you can see, you get great knee movement, ankle movement somewhat hindered, but you can get it to move around pretty good. Good enough to pose. Let's get that tail on there. One thing I just did notice is it's slightly difficult to get the tail to hinge in. Not sure how I'm going to pose him on the shelf. He might be sucking up an android. Bottom of the tail is perfectly fine as far as its articulation. You can see that got some great movement out of it. You have 4 points of articulation. And that's another thing. Keep that safe from falling. That is not very flexible, and if that hits the ground, I'm sure it's going to be in 2 pieces. I honestly think one might just be a little further open than the other, or I may have got 2 of the same head sculpts in this package. That's why you open your figures up right away and you don't wait for a month to review them. And then you have a wide open mouth, yelling sculpt. Your suction cup tail that the androids get sucked up with in the Cell Saga. Then the alternate headpiece Not truly seeing a difference with that. Slightly open hands. I was going to say they're Kamehameha hands or Kamehameha hands, depending on how you pronounce that. But it just looks like they're gripping. Another pair of slightly more closed gripping hands, and then your open palm hands. And that's everything that Cell First Form has to offer. I'm going to have some pictures posed at the end of this video. If you guys like the video, hit that like button. If you want to see more content from me, please subscribe to the channel. Alright, see you guys later.